Well, that's a really good question. What happens if I delay? I guess my immediate answer to that is that's okay, providing you stay alive. If you don't stay alive, then there's all sorts of consequences that result from you not having an estate plan in place. I guess firstly, a lot of people say to me, well, what's this thing about intestacy? Well, intestacy means that you die without a will. If you die without a will, basically your estate will be distributed in accordance with the rules of whichever state you happen to live in. And that means that the assets that you want to go to certain people won't necessarily go to them. It means that you won't have what we call testamentary trust to protect your assets against the trustee in bankruptcy, family law action, and making sure that they're tax effective. It means that you don't have the ability to choose your executor, who's going to manage the estate when you die. And that in itself could lead to conflict. It could be the wrong person. The wrong decisions are going to be made. You won't have an enduring power of attorney, which means that if you lose mental capacity, it's nothing about dying, but you lose mental capacity, who's going to make sure that all your financial decisions are made when you can't make them? I think the main thing is that when we talk about the ability to create a legacy, if you're not doing a proper estate plan, if you're not designing your legacy, then all sorts of things that can happen that aren't what you want to happen. It's going to affect other people. You're going to die, and the circumstances surrounding your family, your business, are going to be uncertain. No one really knows what's meant to happen, what's going to happen. So we need to create certainty. People won't have choices because they haven't got the ability to protect their assets in a trust. They haven't got the ability to ensure that they can manage your affairs if you're in hospital and you've lost mental capacity. So all of these things need to be considered. The main thing is we're not creating a legacy. We're leaving behind uncertainty, lack of choices, and quite possibly conflict because people are fighting over your estate.